This is my Mavic Air2, which I managed to crash. I have ordered a new leg, it's just I'm so impatient so I can't wait. That's why I bought this for $7 instead of $70. Hopefully this is going to work. I choose to do this so you don't have to. The first thing I'm going to do is just to clean it up. I'm going to use some brake cleaner for that. I don't think it's harmful to take brake cleaner straight on. This little cup to make or to blend. This is Gorilla epoxy glue, which I'm trying. What you want to do is you want to have 50-50, and then you just want to stir this together so you get a homogeneous mixture. It's very hard to get it into the crack. Like so. I think we're there. If this works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We're just gonna find out. Now this is dried for almost 20 hours or something, and it's quite hard. Well, it seems like it holds up. Will it hold up while flight? It seems pretty hard. So just gonna clean up the other propellers and see if it's gonna take off. Now for the real test. Moment of truth. Will it hold up or will it fall off? So I'm not gonna fly that high just in case something happens. $7. So this actually worked. The glue hold it on, and it seems like it still is quite good, but I would highly recommend changing the leg. But if you need to fly a drone, you can glue it together, and it costs you way less than buying a new leg. But again, I would highly recommend buying a new leg.